Dear learners, welcome in another video of financial market and services. So in this video, we are going to discuss about commercial papers. So already you aware about commercial papers. So commercial paper is the money market security issued by large corporations or large blue chip companies to obtain funds to meet short-term obligations and is backed only by an issuing bank or company promise to pay the face amount on the maturity date specified on the note. So commercial banks having a backup plan for blue chip companies and commercial papers are issued by commercial body corporates and other companies who want to meet their short-term financial needs. Let's start learning about what in this video. So first, in the introduction in this slide, commercial papers is rated prime, desirable or satisfactory depending on the credit standing of the issuing company. Commercial paper basically short-term unsecured promissory notes issued by well-known and financial strong companies. अब कमर्शियल बैंक्स या अदर फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस जब कमर्शियल पेपर्स को इशू करते हैं तो एक कमर्शियल पेपर में क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है उसमें क्या जो बेसिक पॉइंट्स होते हैं वो अब आपके सामने मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ कमर्शियल पेपर शॉर्ट टर्म ड्यूरेशन का होगा अप टू 1 ईयर होगा that is consisting all the features of promissory notes. It must have a fixed maturity and commercial papers acts as an instrument of money market, so it can be issued at a discount less than the face value, and the issuer, the company who issued the commercial paper, they allow to, they promise to pay you certain amount on the future date. So here, no pledge or security of asset in any type given to the company. Moving further, now, in everyone's mind, one question will arise why it was introduced. ये क्यों इंट्रोड्यूस किए गए थे It was introduced in India in 1990 1990 में इनको इशू किया गया था to enable highly rated corporate borrowers to diversify their sources in the short durations. So those companies who are having good credit worthiness, they want to arrange shorter money, then they can easily arrange with the help of commercial papers. In the next slide, there are two types of commercial papers are there. One direct paper, another one is dealer paper market. So when we call it commercial paper on the basis of direct paper, that is issued by large finance companies and a bank holding company directly to the investors. Then dealer paper or industrial paper issued by the security dealers on the behalf of corporate customers. Mainly, the corporate customer means body corporate and other financial organizations which are having high credit worthiness. So, uh, commercial papers can be classified on the basis of direct paper and dealer papers. Moving further in this slide, the structures of the commercial paper market in India. We can study this on the basis of supply side on the left side and demand side on the right side. So supply side means issuer of commercial papers, finance companies, bank holding companies, non-financial firms, etc. And on the demand side, who will claim money from it? Investors in commercial papers, money market funds, bank and financial companies, pension fund, industrial companies are there. So commercial paper market is a bridge between demand of money and supply of money. That's why it is called a money market instrument. In the next slide, what is the eligibility for issue of commercial paper? अब कोई भी कंपनी जिसकी नेटवर्थ एक ऑडिट बैलेंस शीट में 4 करोड़ या इससे ज़्यादा वो कंपनी कमर्शियल पेपर इशू कर सकती है। दूसरी कंडीशन जो वर्किंग कैपिटल है, जो फंड बेस्ड लिमिट है कंपनी की फ्रॉम द बैंकिंग सिस्टम इज नॉट, जो वर्किंग कैपिटल वो भी 4 करोड़ से कम नहीं होनी चाहिए। एंड द बोरोर अकाउंट ऑफ द कंपनी इज क्लासिफाइड एज a standard asset by the financing company. If these three conditions are satisfied, then you can a company can eligible for issue of commercial paper along with if RBI permitted to do so. देन अब कमर्शियल पेपर के फीचर्स क्या हैं? कमर्शियल पेपर्स, एनी बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट कैन इशू कमर्शियल पेपर अप टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ 100% of their fund based working capital limits. Second one, they can issue commercial paper at a discount. Commercial paper attracts stamp duty is there. Commercial paper is having a maturity period from not less than 15 days and not more than 1 year. मल्टीपल जो कमर्शियल पेपर है दे कैन बी इशूड इन द मल्टीपल ऑफ ₹5 लाख को 5 लाख के मल्टीपल्स के केस में मिनिमम जो डिनोमिनेशन है कमर्शियल पेपर को इशू करने के लिए वो 5 लाख है। नो प्रायर अप्रूवल इज नीडेड टू इशू कमर्शियल पेपर, अंडर राइटिंग इज नॉट मैंडेटरी, कमर्शियल पेपर के केस में कोई अंडर राइटिंग नहीं होती है। कमर्शियल पेपर जस्ट लाइक promissory note होगा which can be redeemed at the par on the date of maturity. So these are the features of commercial paper. In this video we are going we discuss about what do you mean, what do you understand by commercial paper, who can issue commercial paper, what are the various features of commercial paper. So in the next video we are going to discuss about what are the advantages of commercial paper, what are the participants in the market, and what are the terms and conditions regarding commercial papers market in India. So till then, thank you.